how to compare two things, two people, two ideas, or two animals in English. I mean comparison. This is what I'm gonna teach you in this video. Remember, I am Livingston Joseph and welcome to my YouTube channel, English with JL. And I want to help you speaking English. This is all my dream. But you need to subscribe with this YouTube channel. Make sure that you subscribe right now. Leave a comment and share the videos to help others discovering this channel. Well, I'm gonna teach you today about comparison. I mean again, how to compare two things, two people, two ideas, or two animals in English. But for making any comparison, what do we use? We use the adjectives in English. But now, what is an adjective? An adjective is a noun. We use it to describe or modify a noun. But that noun might be a person, a place, something, an idea, or an animal. But in talking about comparison, we see the different forms or the modifications of the adjectives. In this case, we have three forms of comparison. Let me say three forms of the adjective that it undergoes, which are positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. And this is all that I'm gonna teach you in this video, including the matter comparison and the irregular comparison. It's okay then? Well, so now let's see the positive degree in comparison in English. So we use a positive degree in comparison in English. So when there is no comparison, or when we use the adjective in its simple form, or in its simple way in this case. Let me say, for example, he is a rich man. He is a rich man. As you see, I just use rich, the adjective, in its simple way, no modification. So here, this is like a positive degree in comparison in English. Just keep this in mind. And sometimes in the second form, people try to prove it, like in a little comparison, to prove no difference. But what do? They just add as before the adjective and as after the adjective. Let me say as example, well, let me say, for example, he is as rich as his brother. He is as rich as his brother. He is as rich as his brother. As you can see here, there is no difference. So they have the same, they have the same quantity. So no more, okay? This is for the positive degree in comparison in English. So now let's see the comparative degree. So what we can understand about comparative degree in English or in comparison, let me say it like this, please. So comparative degree explains the evaluation of two things or two people, improving the qualities or the defaults that they have between. But for making a comparison by comparative degree, we use two forms. In this case, when the adjective is short, we add er into the adjective. Example, he is shorter than me. We have short, so we talk about, or we say a word is short or a noun is short in English when it has one unique syllable in English. So in English, we say a word is short or a noun is a short noun when, for example, it has a unique syllable, no more. I said again, he is taller than me. He is taller than me. Tall, he is taller than me. Okay, because tall is a short noun, is a short adjective, I add er into tall. Then now I have taller for making the comparison. Well, so when the adjective is long, when the adjective is long, we add more before the adjective. Let me say, for example, she is more beautiful than her sister. She is more beautiful than her sister. You see, more beautiful is a long adjective, and I add more before beautiful. She is more beautiful than her sister. It's clear, right? So here, no more complication. Everything is clear for you. When the adjective is short in comparison, I add er. I say it is a short adjective when it has one syllable, no more. I say just short, tall. Open my mouth and close it at once. Short, tall, no more. And then long, a long adjective like many, or one, two syllables, two. So what I want you to understand, please, like the comparative degree, just the difference there is. So when the adjective is like tall or short, this is what I make. This is what I do for making the difference. Now let's see the superlative degree. So we speak about superlative degree in English or in comparison when after two words being compared, and then the one that is the single that we have formed the group, and then it comes like a specific, whereas a particular one. But after him, no more. I just say, for example, he is the richest man in this family. He is the richest man in this family. Where he is the richest man in his family. As you can see, after him, no more. Maybe the people, they have money, but after him, no more. He is the richest, so he has much more money. This is the superlative degree in English, or in comparison. But after there are some matter of comparison in English, like some of them, they have other ways to express them. When, for example, we have an adjective, but in the adjective we have a vowel follows a consonant. We double the consonant before adding the er. This is a matter adjective in comparison. So when, for example, we have a word or an adjective, let me say it like this. So has a vowel follows a consonant, before adding er, we double the consonant. For example, if I have big, and I just say bigger, but before saying bigger, I double the J. Let me say fat, for example. Fat. So fat, like F-A-T. So before adding ER, what I do, I double exactly the T, and now I have fatter. As you can see, it's so clear. This is what I want you to understand. Well, so now we sometimes find the irregular comparative in English, where the irregular comparison, they do not respect the laws according to the grammar. They just have their specific comparison, where they have the particular degree, where they express themselves according to their own word, or according to their own words in English, in comparison. So in this case, we have a word, but it has its unique ways to use it in comparison. For example, we have good. Good. So good in this case, it is an irregular comparison. We do not say gooder, but we say better. Just different. No matter how it is, short or tall, it is an irregular comparison. In this case, we say better and best. Better and best. Let me say again, far, far, a long distance, like this, and I say feather, 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 no more. In conclusion, I want you to understand first the degree of comparison by keeping or by grabbing, by catching line. In comparison, there are three forms: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Positive degree, we use it when we are speaking about the adjective in its simple form, no comparison, when the adjective is simple. Comparative degree, when you are trying to evaluate the quality or the difference between two elements in question, maybe two things, maybe two ideas, maybe two animals, maybe two people, and so on. But the opposite case is when the adjective is short or long, we make the difference. We just add er into the adjective when it's short, and we add more before the adjective when it's long. For the superlative case, or for the superlative degree, we just have one from the group after being compared, but after him, no more. He's the richest, he's the tallest. You see? That's all. And after we find, in conclusion, the model of comparison, I mean the little modification that they have into the words, like when we have like a vowels follow the consonant, we tap the consonant before, well, and after we have the irregular comparison, they have their own particular degree. They have their own specific degree. I give you an example like good, better, evil, worse, well, evil, worse, bad, worse. Okay? So this is what I want you to keep in this. So I hope this video serves you and helps you to understand like the comparison in English, how to compare two things or to keep on like this. But what you need is you need to encourage this work and then leave a comment please, and then share the videos and tell me how you feel. Tell me again what you need me to bring for you, and I'll do it because I give myself to work for you, and I'll be happy when you write me saying that you speak English. Love you so much.